Yeah. Nice Crossfire builds. Yeah. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
El Gotto, DSKG Bills at Instagram. Got 3XT3 Crossfires running on a 16K Crossfire amp.
Okay. Who built it?
That guy right there.
You built it? Okay. Awesome. Do you know what it's tuned to? What's it tuned to?
43.
43? Okay. Have you metered it yet?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
We just bringing it in.
Oh, wow. Nice. I'm going to have to look at the trunk in the back. Nice to meet you, man. Thank you for the demo. Woo.
It did a damn near 52 out.
52 out of it? Right out the bat?
Damn near 59 or 51 now.
Yeah.
That was brand new subs, everything.
Yeah. It'll probably get 54s. Is this at, what is this wired to? Is it at 1 ohm? 0.6? Okay. Oh, because there's 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice Crossfire builds. Yeah. I'm just getting in here real quick.
Oh, you good?
Ooh, it gets a little warm. Nice. 3 of them fitting in there. pretty good for a trunk blow through right there, man. Thank you for the demo, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.